I don't know about you, but over the past few years, I have come to love the fall season. And one of the things I enjoy the most in fall is baking a sweet, warm treat. So today, I'm going to share with you a recipe with an ingredient that I think really embodies the fall season: apples. Start by finely dicing 2 medium apples. Next, gather the ingredients to make the apple filling for the pastries. You'll need half a cup of sugar, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. In a small saucepan on medium heat, add your diced apples, your sugar, and a pinch of salt. Then add a 1/3 cup of water. Combine the mixture well and cook this covered for 10 minutes while mixing occasionally. After 10 minutes, add your cinnamon and cook the mixture for an additional 5 minutes. This next step is optional, but if you want a delicious glaze for the pastries later on, I would highly recommend it. Simply strain the apple mixture and keep the syrup in a bowl to add later to the glaze. Next, let's prepare the pastry dough. I used 2 sheets of the Pepperidge Farm puff pastry dough to create 6 pastries. You can get this at Walmart or Target. Cut each sheet of dough into 6 rectangles. Next, prepare a floured surface to assemble the pastries. Start by taking 1 piece of the dough and brush the edges with egg wash. Then proceed with adding about 2 tablespoons of the apple filling to the center of the pastry dough. Next, take another piece of dough and cover the filling. To seal the pastry, use a lightly floured fork and press the edges together, going around the whole pastry. Lastly, use a knife to cut 4 lines through the top of the pastry. Then, use a spatula to carefully move the pastry to a baking sheet covered with parchment paper. Simply repeat this step until all of your pastries have been assembled. This next step is very important. Place your pastries into the fridge for 20 minutes or the freezer for 10 minutes. This is crucial because while you're assembling the pastries, the dough has softened significantly. So if you bake the pastries immediately, they will not keep their shape well. After chilling the pastries, place them in the oven at 400 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. While they bake, you can prepare the glaze. You will need milk, powdered sugar, and the syrup you kept from making the apple filling previously. Simply combine the milk and powdered sugar gradually until you have a slightly runny mixture. Then, combine the glaze with the syrup and you're finished. Once your pastries are done, take them out of the oven and drizzle the glaze over each one. As you can tell, some of my pastries did lose shape, so I would recommend possibly doubling the chilling time if you can, but either way, they taste delicious. And that's all for this delicious recipe. I hope that you enjoyed it and let me know if you tried it out. And also don't forget to check the description below for the full recipe. Bye!